everybody. It's 4th of July weekend. We are here. We're heading to New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New Jersey area. And our first stop is a place called DiggerLand in West Berlin, New Jersey. And it's an amusement park for kids, and adults I guess too, that they can use construction equipment. Actually real equipment that they kind of took off some things so you don't die, I guess, basically. So we're gonna head there. We should be there tomorrow morning. We're leaving there tonight, the hotel, all that stuff. So that's the plan. And then we have a few other stops along the way too. I'm sure you're gonna see me. Next scene will be at DiggerLand. There you go. DiggerLand. Henry, you excited? Henry, you excited?
Shall we?
Sure. Here we go. Alright, now if you want to go dig, just go the other way. There you go. Alright, now push it the other way. Use the other knobs. Yeah, use one of these, pull it to us. There you go. Good job. Use the other knob. Yeah, use one of these, pull it to us. There you go. Good job. Now look up. There you go. Pull it to you. There you go. Now use this one. Pull it back. Pull it this way. There you go. And then use this one to spin. Now you go forward and go that way. Forward. There you go. Alright, now pull this one forward. Alright, pull this one forward. Pull that back. Pull back. Enough the bucket. Help. Good job. You scooped it. All right, he's coming around. Go faster. Where's the ducky go? Here he comes. Say cheese. All right, now shake it back and forth. There you go. Oh, you gotta hold on to it.
Alright. Wow. Look at those, are raw.
Mommy's over here. Look, you're driving. Quick, turn the wheel. Use both hands. You want what? Doesn't go very fast, huh? Dude, Princess in a bad movie.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go get us cold water, okay? Say hi, Daddy.
Hey.
Hey, look at Daddy and smile. Take a picture with me.
Wow, you can drive the ambulance? Woo, 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 woo. Oh, wait, go quick, quick. Someone's in trouble. Who drives the ambulance in Paw Patrol? That's cool. This is pretty cool, huh? You want Daddy to sit on that side? All right, let's go. Check it out. Yeah, look at it. Turn around and say cheese. All right, let's see. Oh, there's some stairs. We can go in. Okay. Say cheese. Wow, that's cool. That's cool, huh? Who drives the fire truck in Paw Patrol? Marshall, right? I see ya.
I was at that side. He said,
Now pull it sideways. No, pull it this way. The other way. Yep. Wow! Whoa! Good job!
Hey, where are you going out there?
Go on this ride right there. That's wild. Wow. That's crazy. Alright, so we're back from DiggerLand in West Berlin, New Jersey, and a few things I gotta talk about. So the concept of it's really, really cool. And the price point isn't bad either. They had an offer where you can get tickets for like $39.99, regularly $50 just for the ride park. They had a water park there. I think it was an extra $50. We walked over there, we seen it. It didn't look like a $50 water park. But I mean, if you're gonna be there and you need a place to cool off and there's no other option, then I guess you do what you gotta do. So the one problem we had wasn't really the price, because they didn't charge you for Charlotte, who's little. And they also don't charge you if you're like over 65 and older and you're just walking around like a grandparent or something like that, which is kind of cool. But they say online it's open at 10. Okay, so we were about 45 minutes away. We want to get there. We had some stuff to do at night, so we planned on getting there right at opening and then getting everything done as quick as possible and heading back. But once we got there, we were told they don't the park opens at 10. So you can use the water park. You can walk around a small little area of the actual park itself, but nothing opens till the ride zone starts till 12. So we got there at 10:15 with very little to do. So first part of the video, you've seen us panning for like gems, which cost money, or riding a little mechanical excavator, which cost money, going to the gift shop, which cost money. And they didn't even have food open, because I figured at least they could justify, like, all right, we're there early, let's get our lunch out of the way. You can eat lunch there. That wasn't even open. So beware, if you go there, they're not going to be starting the ride some noon time. So probably want to get down there around 11:45, 11:30, just so you can get on the rides, because the lines did start piling up around 2, 3 o'clock. So just keep that in mind. Other than that, I mean, the concept was pretty cool. They did their best to try to shade as much places as possible, but I mean, the concept is construction site, so I guess what it is. But definitely check it out if you're there. Just if you plan on doing the rides, don't get there till closer to 12, otherwise you're gonna run out of things to do, especially when you have a 1 and a 3-year-old. It's really gonna make things difficult to kill some time in an area that's like the size of a baseball infield. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave your comments below. Let us know what you think if you've been there. We'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later.